everyone, welcome back. Did the Face ID stop working in the Dave app and now you have to type your password every single time? This is an easy fix that takes about 30 seconds and you do not have to lose any of your account information. First, open the Dave app and tap and log in manually using your phone number and password. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom or tap menu, look for settings and then security or login options. In there, you'll see an option for Face ID or biometric login. It might be labeled as quick access. Then tap on it. Turn it on off first, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. The app will ask you to scan your face or to re-register it. Do it and confirm. After registering fully, log out of Dave app and reopen it. This time, Face ID should prompt you immediately. If it still does not work, go to your settings app, search for Face ID and passcode, search for Dave app, and then make sure Face ID is toggled on under the iPhone's own Face ID and passcode permissions as well. So all you gotta do is log in manually, go to Dave security settings, toggle Face ID off and then back on, check iPhone permissions, Face ID working in Dave again. Subscribe for more tips.